Welcome back to OpsKit Newsroom for the week ending June 21st, 2026. This week, the federal government shocked the tech world by ordering Anthropic to pull its newly launched Fable 5 and Mythos 5 models just 3 days after launch. Meanwhile, Microsoft's code-sharing platform faced unexpected downtime despite its Azure backbone, and OpenAI is reportedly considering price cuts to stay competitive. On the DevOps front, we are looking at the general availability of the Terraform MCP Server and new ways to secure your CI/CD pipelines. Here are the 10 stories we'll cover this week. In an unprecedented move, the federal government has ordered Anthropic to immediately pull its newly released Fable 5 and Mythos 5 models. The emergency order came just 3 days after their official launch, catching the tech world by surprise. While official reasons remain vague, industry insiders point to potential national security concerns regarding the model's advanced, autonomous capabilities. This sudden intervention marks a dramatic escalation in state oversight of frontier AI development, signaling that the era of self-regulation is officially over. GitHub recently experienced a major global outage, leaving developers locked out of repositories and pipelines. Despite migrating its infrastructure to Microsoft Azure, the platform was reportedly caught off guard by a massive surge in traffic driven by its own heavily promoted Copilot and AI features. The irony wasn't lost on the engineering community. Microsoft's aggressive push for AI adoption ended up overwhelming the very infrastructure meant to support it, raising serious questions about cloud capacity planning in the AI era. HashiCorp has officially released version 1.0 of the Terraform Model Context Protocol, or MCP Server. This general availability release allows organizations to safely connect large language models and AI assistants directly to their Terraform workflows. By providing a standardized, secure interface, the MCP Server ensures consistent infrastructure management across your entire organization. It supports flexible deployment options, meaning you can run it locally or integrate it into your existing CI/CD pipelines, giving your AI tools the precise context they need to generate, dry run, and apply infrastructure code safely. In the second installment of its CI/CD hardening series, the Cilium team has detailed how they secure their open-source pipeline against supply chain attacks. The core focus is locking down external dependencies. Instead of relying on mutable tags for GitHub actions, Cilium pins every action to its specific, immutable SHA-1 commit hash. Combined with strict dependency lock files and automated vulnerability scanning, this approach ensures that malicious updates to third-party tools can't silently compromise their build system. AWS has upgraded its DevOps agent, allowing it to autonomously investigate complex Amazon EKS cluster incidents. By leveraging Custom Model Context Protocol, or MCP, the agent can now dive deep into production issues without human intervention. It doesn't just alert you, it actively diagnoses crash loopback-off failures, traces unauthorized config map deletions through CloudTrail audit logs, and correlates CloudWatch metrics with cluster events. This brings us one step closer to self-healing infrastructure, drastically reducing mean time to resolution for Kubernetes platform teams. Amazon SageMaker Unified Studio Notebooks now natively support Amazon EMR Serverless using Apache Spark Connect. This integration gives data engineers and analysts the ultimate flexibility to choose their preferred Spark runtime for interactive analytics and heavy data engineering tasks. Instead of managing complex infrastructure, you can now spin up serverless Spark sessions directly inside your SageMaker notebooks. It streamlines the transition from data preparation to model building, keeping your entire workflow in a single, unified environment. As Kubernetes environments scale across development, staging, and production, managing secrets across multiple accounts becomes a chaotic challenge. Hard coding secrets or manually replicating them invites massive security risks. Enter the External Secrets Operator, or ESO. By integrating directly with external providers like AWS Secrets Manager, HashiCorp Vault, or Google Secret Manager, ESO securely injects credentials into your clusters. This eliminates secret sprawl, ensures a single source of truth, and automates rotation across all your environments without manual intervention. OpenAI is reportedly considering slashing its API developer prices as competition intensifies with Anthropic. According to reports, OpenAI wants to make its models significantly cheaper to prevent developers from migrating to Anthropic's Claude or other open-source alternatives. While OpenAI still leads in mindshare, Anthropic has been aggressively courting enterprise clients with competitive pricing and high-performance models. This potential price cut highlights how LLM intelligence is rapidly commoditizing, forcing top-tier AI labs to compete on cost efficiency rather than just raw capabilities. Google Cloud is stepping up its privacy game with new confidential AI capabilities. By leveraging hardware-based trusted execution environments, Google now allows organizations to run sensitive AI workloads, including training and inference, without exposing data to the underlying cloud infrastructure or even Google itself. This expansion includes support for NVIDIA H100 confidential GPUs and Intel TDX-powered confidential VMs. For enterprises in highly regulated sectors like finance and healthcare, this means they can finally leverage advanced LLMs while maintaining strict data sovereignty and zero-trust security. Google Cloud has introduced the Open Knowledge format, a new open-source standard designed to solve the context bottleneck for AI agents. While foundation models are incredibly capable, they often struggle without structured, domain-specific knowledge. The Open Knowledge format provides a unified way to package, share, and ingest rich context, making retrieval-augmented generation and agentic workflows far more reliable. By open-sourcing this format, Google aims to establish a common language for AI grounding, helping developers build smarter, more context-aware systems without proprietary lock-in. That's all for this week's round of DevOps and AI updates. Don't forget to check out OpsKit.tools for the latest utilities to streamline your infrastructure workflows. Until next week, keep your pipelines green and your secrets secure.